today? Fine? I believe you all fine. Today, we're gonna learn about letter and sound A using Learning Box Kit. Shh, everyone silent. This is letter A. Shh, listen carefully.
Letter A.
This is letter A. Where is the student? Yeah, letter A.
Letter A.
And how to write letter A? Little curve and down. One more time. Little curve and down. Now, show me your finger. Show me your finger. Little curve and down. One more time. Little curve. Stop. And down. Good job. Now take your book. Take your pencil. Open page 1. Okay, good. Little curve and down. Good job. Are you finished, student? Good. Wow. Ants on the apple, Ants on the apple, Ants on the apple, is the sound of A.